keep it tight. Guard the doors both day and night. Passwords strong like shields of gold. Love and wisdom shared in bold.
Here's something we rarely talk about on this platform. Across the world, different cultures take completely different approaches to cybersecurity. Some parents hover, some parents trust, and some parents don't check anything at all. So the big question is, which parents, or more directly, which of you are actually the most hands-on? And does it actually make a difference? This week on Family Cyber Tips Weekly, I'm unpacking global parenting trends. What Asian, African, European, and American parents are doing differently, and what those differences mean for our children's safety. Being hands-on doesn't require you to be a tech expert. It simply means you're present, aware, and willing to check in. So please give me a few minutes of your time. I'll show you the habits of the world's most hands-on parents and how you can apply them in your home tonight. Okay? If you're just joining, good day and welcome back to another episode of Family Cyber Tips Weekly, where we help families stay one step ahead of the dangers lurking online. Today's episode is a fun one, but there's truth hiding inside the humor. We're exploring which parents around the world are the most hands-on when it comes to family cyber security. You might be surprised where you fit on this list. Let's break it down. We start with Asian parents. I call them the gold medalists. I hope that's not a giveaway. But see, if cybersecurity had an Olympics, Asian parents will sweep the medals. Whether it's India, China, Korea, Japan, or Singapore, those parents, or these parents, don't play. Before a child downloads an app, their parents have reviewed the privacy policy, checked the developer's background and history, turned on parental controls, and still asked for passwords. If cyber criminals see an Asian parent on duty, they simply log out. We go on. Nigerian parents, or if you like, African parents, we call them the human firewalls. Nigerian parents invented cybersecurity before the internet existed. There's some truth in that. Who's that? Where are you going? Did they say free money? That's offline cybersecurity turned digital. Their instinct alone can detect a scam 15 minutes before it happens. If you relate, please holler in the comments. If grooming or phishing attempts try entering an African home, they bounce like they hit a brick wall. Fact. Like I said, let me know if you agree or relate, okay? Let's look at British and American parents. I have like a little thing in parentheses. We are trying, That's exactly the feel or the vibe that you get. Let's come home. We're in the UK, after all, okay? We're polite. We're calm. We're trusting. And sometimes too trusting. Our child says, "Mom, can I download this?" We say, "Be responsible." Meanwhile, the child is already 3 browsers deep, exploring the digital universe. And our American friends, they install every safety app, but the kids have every device ever created. So the balance is really, really interesting. Okay? We move down to the Scandinavian parents. I call them the whisperers. No shouting, no threats, no sandals, just no, Jacob, we don't download that app. And the kids listen. How? How are your children obeying cyber rules without drama? Scandinavia, please teach us your ways. We move swiftly to the last group, Latino and Brazilian parents. Again, I have names for all these folks. I call them passion-driven protection. Latino parents, they don't need antivirus software. They have intuition. Child says, "It's my friend, Mikael." Mom replies, "That is not Mikael." And she's right. Brazilian parents, if a scammer tries grooming their child online, the scammer ends up apologizing. Fact, okay? Like I said, it was a fun one. I want you to engage in the comments and let me know whether I'm close or I'm far off, but engage, okay? And of course, the whole idea is to get us really in the space where we are taking this seriously. So which parents amongst you are the most hands-on? You could identify or indicate rather by engaging in the comments. The truth is every parent cares. We know that. You know, no parents will give birth to a child and let them be, free doing all the naughties and getting exposed to all that. We know that you care, okay? But some cultures are built on high alert and others on high trust. The point of the humor in this video today is simple. No matter where you are from, your child needs you to be present, proactive, and informed. If today's episode made you smile, giggle, or made you think, please hit the subscribe button. Share this with another parent. Like the video if indeed you did. And join our mission to protect families worldwide. Okay, until next week, Monday at 6:30 p.m. I'm being your host, Lawrence Edem. Stay safe. God bless. And goodbye.
Don't let them pull what you keep. Links they shine, but traps they weave. Trust your heart, don't be deceived. Protect our circle, keep it clear.